Lightweight and travel-friendly. This adult electric scooter weighs only 35.5 pounds and has a maximum load capacity of 220.5 pounds. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal travel companion, allowing you to take the three-wheel mobility scooter on planes. The electric scooter has a new folding mechanism that allows easy folding and unfolding for convenient and fast use. You can effortlessly store it in the garage, car trunk, or any convenient space. Adjustable 3-speed and effortless reverse. Equipped with a powerful 250W motor, this folding electric tricycle offers 3 adjustable speed settings, March 7, 15 mph, to suit your preferences, providing a fast and agile riding experience. Additionally, the motorized tricycle has a useful reverse function, controlled by a simple switch, and has a maximum reverse speed of 3 miles per hour. The user-friendly design ensures easy operation and guarantees a comfortable and enjoyable commute. Removable battery and customization services. The e-tricycle has a 281 Wh, 36 version 7.8R removable lithium battery. Maximum range 15.53 to 18.64 miles. With a handy key switch, you can physically lock the e-tricycle for adults and increase safety during use. To cater to individual preferences, customizable battery services are available that allow you to choose a smaller battery capacity, 94 Wh, that better suits your daily needs. Make Topmate ES35 your flexible and personalized travel companion. Stable and comfortable ride. Specially designed for adult riders, this three-wheel electric scooter is excellent in both balance and comfort. The combination of widened and sturdy footrests, 10-inch pneumatic tires and a safety-oriented 19.68-inch extended rear axle ensures a smooth and safe riding experience. The LED display keeps you informed at all times, providing a clear view of battery level, speed, and mileage. It gives you the taste of a reassuring and enjoyable travel experience with improved stability and comfort. The Topmate ES35 electric scooter with seat offers adults an efficient mobility solution. Its foldable design and three-wheel configuration contribute to exceptional maneuverability and user comfort. Whether for short trips or daily commutes, this electric scooter for adults represents the ideal choice for modern city life.